Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com, your Princess Cruises experts, and today I have the great pleasure of being on board the beautiful Sapphire Princess. I'm currently in one of the Vista Suites here on board. I love the location and the layout. Now I'm going to take you through the room here in just a minute and of course review the amenities. But before we do, keep in mind when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any room or suite with Princess Cruises, make sure you reach out to the experts at Hart Travel or book it right on HarTravel.com. We know we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value and get the Hart Travel signature service every step of the way. Now the Sapphire Princess is a medallion class ship, which means you're going to get your medallion before you arrive. It's going to do everything from open up your room to communicate with all of the staff around the ship, your likes, dislikes, and of course you can order drinks, food, and so much more and have it delivered wherever it is that you want. It's a really elevated experience that I know you're going to enjoy, and of course being in a full suite, you're going to get early embark and disembark privileges throughout your entire cruise. You're also going to have complimentary dining in one of the specialty restaurants on embarkation day. You're going to have priority shuttles in all of the ports, and one of my favorite features is you're going to get that reserve class dining. That means in the Santa Fe restaurant, you're going to have your own section. You're always guaranteed that a seat's going to be available to you. And then you're also going to have an upgraded menu. Now, there's quite a few other amenities that you'll get in the suite and around the ship. Let's tour the room now. Now, as we get started, keep in mind, if you want to see this full ship, we have the full ship tour on our channel as well. Now, when you walk in the door to the left here, you're going to have an entry into the water closet. Now, I'm going to take you back through there in just a minute, but I wanted to point that out because if you have anybody staying in the living room or friends and family over, they can utilize that space without heading into your own personal bathroom space. You've got a wet bar here with a butler's pantry of sorts, bit of storage underneath, your mini fridge underneath here as well, and the first of the flat panel TVs. It's fully interactive so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, watch your favorite television channels, and of course, don't forget to catch up on your favorite Love Boat episodes. Now you'll see you have a nice large full-size sofa here. In most cases it does fold out. Make sure you check that out on HarTravel.com or check with your Hart Travel advisor. You're going to have storage on either side with nightstands, coffee tables, depending on how you look at them, drawers underneath, coffee table in the middle, and a nice comfy chair to the side. Now, as we step through into the bedroom, I did want to point out that you have a curtain that pulls all the way shut to have separation of space here. You're going to have your Princess luxury bed. They upgraded them very recently where you have really nice pillows, linens, and mattresses. You've got a nightstand on this side, plenty of storage underneath the bed to tuck things away. And keep in mind, the bed does separate apart into two if that's the preference you have. Now across, you're going to have a second large flat panel TV, also fully interactive so you can see what's going on throughout the ship and watch television. You've got drawers for storage underneath, a whole wall of drawers here for storage, two US plugs, and you also have a vanity to get ready with a backlit magnifying mirror. There's a separate temperature control here and in the living room space. You can sleep at different temperatures. You've got a floor-to-ceiling mirror here to get ready, and let's step into your walk-in closet. You've got hanging storage that goes all the way across, down below as well. You've got two golf umbrellas to utilize throughout your voyage, those extra comfy bathrobes and slippers, a full laptop size safe, storage up and down as well. Now as we step into the bathroom, one of the great configurations with these bathrooms is you've got a jacuzzi soaking tub, those highly upgraded amenities. Now I love that you have a tub, whether you're traveling with your family, and I travel with my kiddos all the time, having a tub's great for them, or if you just want a wonderful soak after a great shore excursion before you head on out to explore this beautiful ship, it's a great feature for that. Now I also appreciate that in addition to that, they're going to have a step-in shower. I'm a really big guy, I fit just fine in here. You're going to find the shower head up above, clothesline that pulls across, and then you'll also have plenty of space to move around in this beautiful marble shower. Now as we step through this door, I had pointed it out as we headed in the other way. This is where you're going to find your vanity. It's a nice large vanity here, marble. You've got storage up and down, your suite amenity upgrade kit, and toilet tucked just in the corner. Now I mentioned it when we walked in, but this is that door that goes into the foyer. So once again, you've got dual entry so you don't disturb anyone in the bedroom area. Now one of the things that I love about these Vista Suites is the location in the aft of the ship. Those of you who know me, it's my favorite place to be. When I'm back here looking at the wake in the distance as we sail away from the incredible destinations around the world, my blood pressure goes down, my smile gets big, and I'm back in my home away from home. You're going to find a full dining table out here with 4 chairs, perfect place to gather for family game night, host friends, or just have a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, or a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening. You've also got 2 nice large extra padded loungers here, cocktail table in the middle, but for me it's all about that incredible aft view. Now, when you're ready to make this your home away from home or book any room or suite with Princess Cruises, make sure you reach out to the experts at Hard Travel. We know the spaces inside and out, have an amazing relationship with the cruise line, and we know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Hard Travel signature service every step of the way.